If you are looking for the best Roland td-17kvx deals for Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals 2023, visit the links in the description to get the best deals for this item. The best features of Roland td-17kv2 Generation 2 V-Drums Kit. Develop stick control and correct playing techniques using the large 12-inch PDX 120 snare with double mesh head. 12-inch VH10V hi-hat mounts to an acoustic hi-hat stand for precise placement and expressive performance. Updated td-17 sound module with new kits, expanded effects, compression reverb sections, and rich, dynamic, and natural drum sounds. Please note, kick pedal, drum throne and drumsticks not included. Choose from 70 premium preset drum kits, including 20 new kits with custom samples. Learn expressive foot control and pedal techniques with the KD10 kick pad. 12-inch CY12 CT crash and 14-inch CY14 RT ride cymbals with thin profiles for natural feel and realistic movement. 10-inch PDX8 mesh head tom pads with head and rim triggering.